how to add pictures to a YouTube video online. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to upload to an online video editor, how to make some simple edits to your footage, how to add some pictures on screen, and how to export the final product. So without any further ado, let's get started. In this example, I want to add a company logo on top of my video that I'm uploading to YouTube. First things first, open up your internet browser and head over to Veed.io. If you don't have an account, you can create one for free, and I've left a direct link to Veed in the video description. Once you're set up on the homepage, go to upload your video, then upload a file, then select your video clip from your computer and hit open. And once it's uploaded, you'll see your video clip sitting down at the bottom of the screen in the video timeline. You can add as many clips as you want to create a sequence just by going down to the plus icon in the bottom right hand corner of the timeline, then select another video clip from your computer and once again hit open. Now, before I add any images, I want to make my video clip a little bit shorter, and to do that I'll just go down to the video timeline and select my clip. Then I'm going to move my cursor to the front end of the clip, hover it over there and just click and drag it like so to cut away as much of the clip as I want. And I can also remove some footage from the back end of the clip just by doing exactly the same thing, hovering, clicking and dragging and removing as much as I like. And once I've trimmed the clip down to the length that I want, I'm just going to click and drag it to the front of the timeline like so. And just to make things a little bit easier to see, I'm going to select Fit Timeline over on the right. Now let's add a picture over the frame. All you need to do is find the upload icon in the left-hand toolbar, then select Upload Image. And now you can select any image file that you've downloaded to your computer and once again hit open. And as you can see, my image has been automatically dropped on top of my video canvas. Now I can just select that and just click and drag it to reposition it within the frame. I can also change the size by clicking and dragging the corners like so. And I'm going to put my image down in the bottom left corner. And to change the timings, just go down to the video timeline and select your image. And now just like you did with the video clip, you can click and drag it like so to change when it disappears and when it appears. But I want mine to last for the whole video, so I'm just going to drag it out like so it lasts for the entire length of the clip. And if you decide you want to change your image to something else, all you need to do is go over to the left hand side and select Replace Image and just select another image from your computer. And it's worth bearing in mind that you can add as many pictures as you want on top of your video just by going back up to upload and following all of those exact same steps. When you're finished editing, just go over to the top right hand corner of the editor and press Export and then Export Video. And Veed will now start rendering out your file. On this next page, you can review your video by pressing play like so. And if you're happy, just go over to download MP4 on the right hand side and your final product will be downloaded to your computer. And that is how to add a picture to a YouTube video online. If you found this video useful, make sure you leave it a like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one.